give up now, Boomazoom. Scanning wall. A bent nail. I need to floogle out this picture. Looks like when we bumped into that painting, we bent the nail and now the string can't hang from it. Boomazoom, we need to pull out that bent nail and replace it with a new one. Oh, but what do we use to pull out the nail? How about this big, heavy metal lollipop? It's gotta be useful for something, no? Ooh, look! The floaty bubble moves between the lines. We could use it to take the painting's temperature. No? And how are you supposed to cut anything with these scissors? They're all flat and grippy at the end. Grippy at the end. Okay, steady. Grabbing bent nail. And got it. Now pull. Pull. Uh-oh. I did not think this through. I did not think this through. Ooh, good idea. Magnet boots, go. We should probably test they work. Oh! You think there might be a safer way of testing the magnet boots? Now pull. It's really stuck. Maybe a wiggle? No, not you, Boomazoom. We did it! Now all we need to do is replace it with this new nail I found in the toolbox. But how do we get it into the wall? Aha! I see something that'd be perfect for the job. Okay, Boomazoom. We'll go with your idea and use the big metal lollipop.
Sir, I suggest I run lots of tests and triple-check everything.
Excellent. And I'm going to be adjusting my captain's trophy so they look really nice. Did you just hear a curious banging sound, First Officer Flo?
I don't think so, sir.
Weird. I'm sure it's nothing, and Junior Floogle Boomer is just kicking back, enjoying one of his nature programs.
Woohoo! This is super fun! Painting is in position. Oh, it's all crooked.